Hi guys, welcome to Architectural Intelligence. Google just updated the version of Nano Banana to Pro model, which is absolutely mind blowing and very best for post production your images. This tutorial is made for how to use to produce the architectural style visualization. I'll give the best prompt and you can check in below description with every details what you need and present. Let's see, here is my base model. Here I just gave the prompt, and a model understand a detailed prompt by breaking it into clear instruction, context and priorities. Okay, so a prompt should be clear, detailed, well structured, so model understand your exact design intent instead of giving the not understandable command. So you need describe the type of project, design style, material, lighting, camera view in a simple specific words. The better you explain what you want and how you want to look, the less the model has to guess, resulting in more accurate, realistic, professional architectural visualization with minimal revisions. So I gave a detailed prompt here. You can see, and I also give is in the description below. Here I write it in the keep. You can always store every prompt, organize the prompt for the AI models, what you want, what you don't want, like the negative, the positive, everything. Like if you are working on the exterior, then the landscape, the trees, the lighting, the sunlight effect, and the sky, everything. So you have to work on the prompt first of all, then AI model will uh, quickly understand your language and your words, what you need. So here, this is the row house, and I gave the prompt from the base model. You can see here, look at this, the image, the wonderful created the render visualization from the base model. Here you can see here the difference between from the base model and the generated image, everything he did. Yes, and this is the raw houses. So I just give simply for the workflow. Now you want to continue the workflow, then just text you want like the multiple house and read this the block, then wait the images, like here you can see here's the row houses. That's quick introduction to the Nano Banana Pro model, like how it helps in a better visualization. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.